you can easily create a simple end screen. The first thing that you need to do is get a picture of one of your typical end screens. Now I've got a screenshot that I can use inside LumaFusion to place my elements properly. Tap the aspect ratio and set it to 16:9 landscape. This is widescreen format. Tap the icon up here to open the project. All that this app does is create moving backgrounds like this. Along the left-hand side, you can see all the backgrounds that are available. Choose one that you like by tapping on it. I'm thinking this one, or maybe this one here. The record button is right here. Just tap on it and keep recording until the timer reads 20 seconds. I recommend recording a video that's a bit longer, say 21 seconds, just to give yourself some extra time. The first time you download Movie Drops, you'll have to allow it to access your photos because it will store the video clip in the Photos app. Take your screenshot of your YouTube video, stretch it out like this. Open the clip editor, go to cropping, and crop the video so that just the end screen portion is visible. Make the end screen big enough to cover the preview area like this. Make sure that it matches up and everything is visible. Turn the opacity down. Go back to the beginning of your clip and add an overlay title. Make sure the clips are fully zoomed out so that you can see them easily. Stretch the title so that it matches up with the length of the other clips. Double tap your overlay title to open the clip editor. Tap the plus sign to add some shapes. Size the shapes down like this. And cover the video boxes like so. This will give you an idea of where the videos will appear. You can tap the duplicate icon to make another copy of the shape and slide it down. Make sure that the entire box is covered. This gives you an idea of where each element will be. Tap on the plus sign, choose shape one more time, and then choose the oval shape. This one here. Turn it into a circle like this. Move it into position and make sure you cover your subscribe element. Now that you've got these elements placed properly, you can remove the picture of your end screen. To remove it, select it like this and tap the trash can. You can drop this title down onto the second track. Double tap the text and type something like, "Thanks for watching." Tap on done. Make sure that these shapes are exactly the same. At this point, you need to decide if you're going to keep the shapes or remove them. You can do either. I'm going to keep the shapes just to make the design more interesting, but I'll reduce the opacity from 100% down to 50% so that you can see the background through the shapes. I'm going to continue with the black and white theme. Tap on your main video track, go to Color and Effects. Under Color Presets, choose whatever one looks best to you. I'm going to choose black and white. That will make the background black and white. Next, select this clip, and then you'll want to add one more overlay title. So tap on the plus sign and choose overlay title. Take the overlay title that you just added and move it down on top of the duplicated clip. This is a quick and easy way to make sure that all of your clips are the same length. Choose replace clip and keep timeline duration. That makes your new overlay title the same length as the other clips. Tap your overlay title clip to open the clip editor. Tap the plus sign and choose shape. Choose this shape here. Make sure that the end of the bubble points to the box. Move this shape into position. Double tap and type watch next. Move the text element over top of the shape. Tap on done and choose your font. By default, the font face color is white. Change it to black so that you can see it easily. If you still can't see the font once you change the face color, close the properties for your text element, tap these three lines, and move it below the shape. This will place it on top. Because you've got two shapes that need to be exactly the same, select the first one and hit the duplicate icon on this panel. That will make a copy of the shape. Then you can just slide it into position like this. Once again, make sure that the end of the bubble points towards the box. Tap the plus sign once more and choose a new text element. Double tap your text box and type something like more tutorials. You can type whatever you like. Make sure you change the face color to black because the shape is white. If you need to adjust the size and you don't see a size property on the title card, you can adjust the scale property and it will do the same thing to the text. Resize the font until it fits inside the bubble. Select the layer that contains your text and shapes. Make sure frame and fit is selected. If your text is on top of shapes and the text is black on a white surface, and you set the blending mode to lighten, it will remove the black, making the text appear transparent. Exit back to the timeline and choose your second text layer. Tap the title card and expand your text. Tap on the face color and choose white. I'm going to remove the circle. So I'll select the shape and just hit the trash can to delete it. If you don't want to delete the shape, you can tap on the eye to make it invisible. Look at the text inside the speech bubbles, and you should be able to see the video background through the text as the video plays. That's the reason I made the text inside the bubbles black, using either the screen or lighten blending modes will remove the black color and allow you to see the background video behind the text in the bubbles. If you're a content creator like me, you might want to include a voiceover at the end of every one of your videos. You can add this as an audio track onto your end screen so that all you have to do to have that voiceover track played is to add your end screen to your video. When that happens, your voiceover track will be played each time your video ends. To create a voiceover inside LumaFusion, move back to the beginning of your clip. Tap on the plus sign. When you tap on voiceover, you'll have the ability to record some audio. After you tap on voiceover, and you hit record, you'll get a 3-second countdown before you have to start speaking. Once your voiceover is finished, just tap on the record button one more time to stop recording. You can then accept your voiceover and edit it, or you can reject it and record the voiceover again. Tap on voiceover, you'll see this interface. When I tap on record, I'll get a 3-second countdown, and then I have to start speaking. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to tap on the notification bell once you've subscribed so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time. On the checkmark to accept the voiceover. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to tap on the notification bell once you've subscribed so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time. To add some outro music, like most of the music you hear at the end of any YouTube video, go to this website. CreatorMix.com is a music service made by creators for creators. You can use this music on social media without fear of copyright restrictions on most social media platforms. Once you sign up and create an account, you'll need to log in. Then you'll see the home page. Scroll down and select one of the many albums that you see. Just select an album by tapping on it. There's many different kinds of music you can use. To use a track from this website, all you need to do is choose one by tapping on an album. I'm going to use this one here. Tap on an album to select it and then choose your track. Tap the play icon next to the track you've chosen to listen to it and see if you like it. To download and use your selected track, tap the download icon to see how you have to credit the artist. To be able to use the track on YouTube with no copyright restrictions, tap the copyright icon. Either way, you'll be presented with a dialog box that will tell you how you will need to use the music. Make sure you copy the information inside this text box and put it in the description of your YouTube video. Next, tap the download icon and tap the download button. Tap download once more and wait for the file to download. Notice that if you tap up here, you can check the progress of your file download. Once your file is downloaded, open your Files app, open your Downloads folder, and choose the file that you just downloaded. Long press and hold on your downloaded file. Tap on Share. Here you'll want to tap on Share with LumaFusion. This will import the track into LumaFusion. Close down your Files app and open up LumaFusion. Find your imported media folder, and once you find your track, tap on it and bring it down into the second audio track below your voiceover. Move to the end of your end screen clip and split the audio track. Delete any unwanted audio. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to tap on the notification bell once you've subscribed so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time. Once you're satisfied with your final end screen, tap the export icon, tap movie, choose your export destination, make sure your resolution is set, and then tap the export icon once more. Wait patiently for your clip to export, and then once it's saved, just add your end screen onto any YouTube video before you upload it to YouTube. Now that your clip is exported, you'll find it in your camera roll. Add your end screen and then export your video. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to tap on the notification bell once you've subscribed so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.